And we begin with this. A Boise Police Department sergeant and former police chief Ryan Lee are suing one another. Both lawsuits were filed earlier this week, just one day apart. The controversy started 2 years ago after Sergeant Kirk Rush claimed Lee severely injured his neck during a demonstration. Abby Davis read through those lawsuits today. Abby, break it down for us.
Well, Shira, Rush is suing Lee and the city of Boise. Lee, on the other hand, is suing Rush and 4 other people whose names are not listed. Both men say they were hurt in more ways than one because of that demonstration. New developments in the legal battle between Boise Police Sergeant Kirk Rush and former police chief Ryan Lee. The two filed lawsuits against one another this week. In his suit, Rush claims Lee severely injured his neck while demonstrating hold techniques during a team briefing in October 2021. It says Lee, quote, paraded Rush around the briefing room by his neck. Shortly after letting go, Rush alleges Lee grabbed his neck again. But this time, his neck hyperextended after Lee, quote, violently grabbed Rush's forehead and yanked his head backward. Rush claims Lee didn't ask for permission and also didn't check with him about potential health concerns. A Clearwater County prosecuting attorney eventually decided not to file criminal charges against Lee after reviewing findings from Idaho State Police's investigation. But the attorney did say it was a close call. Lee filed his lawsuit on Tuesday, one day after Rush. It's against Rush and 4 unnamed people. Court documents state Lee performed a visual hands-on illustration and only applied minimal restraint. Lee claims Rush participated willingly. The lawsuit also accuses Rush of slander and libel. It says Rush made numerous derogatory statements, complaints, and accusations, which Lee claims were knowingly and implicitly false, exaggerated, deceptive, and misleading. Lee says Rush and the other unnamed people listed in the lawsuit caused emotional distress, damaged his reputation, and interfered with his City of Boise contract. Boise Mayor Lauren McLean asked Lee to resign last fall after numerous officers filed complaints against him. Both Rush and Lee are asking for a jury trial. Rush didn't list the amount of money he wants, but Lee says he's hoping for at least $1 million in damages. I asked the city of Boise for a comment about Rush's lawsuit against them, but a spokesperson said they cannot comment on pending litigation. Jira.
All right, Abby, thanks for breaking that down for us.